This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about speed pourers, specifically these Bar Lux Speed Pourers. They are 4¼ inches long, and they're available in 2 finishes. We have the copper-plated stainless steel and just your standard stainless steel. They both feature a lovely rubber stopper that you can see goes all the way up to that top, and it's got this nice little graduated rubber design to it that means you're going to get a nice, tight, leak-free fit on your bottles. And they all have a great vent there, so you get a quick, smooth pour, right? So great flow on your liquor out of these speed pourers. These speed pourers are a must-have for any bar. They're going to help ensure you get accurate pours, meaning that your cocktail recipes are nice and precise and on point, and those flavors are well balanced, but they're also going to help prevent spills from bottles and also over pouring, because they really allow you to time those pours and get precise measurements from your bottles. It's recommended to hand wash these to maintain the finish, and they're easy to remove, clean, and replace as needed. So they're a great thing to have on hand for any busy bar. The finishes mean that you have some options to add custom touches to complement your barware and decor, and these are going to be fantastic to use for bars, restaurants, hotels and lounges, or any establishment with a bar or bar area, or just for your bar at home.